Did you know it typically takes 10 to 15 years to develop a new drug from concept to market? Quite the time frame, isn't it? This lengthy and complex process begins with the identification of a biological target, followed by the screening of thousands, sometimes millions of compounds to find potential drug candidates. Next is the preclinical testing phase, where these candidates are scrutinized for safety and efficacy. If they pass, only then do they move on to the clinical trials stage, where the real test begins with human volunteers. The cost? A whopping $2.6 billion on average per drug. And the success rate? Well, less than 1 in 10 drugs that enter clinical trials make it to the finish line. This is the stark reality of drug discovery, a time-consuming, costly, and high-risk endeavor. But what if we could drastically reduce that time and increase success rates? Enter artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing many industries, and drug discovery is no exception. This powerful duo of AI and drug discovery is rapidly changing the landscape of healthcare. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magnitude of this shift. Traditional drug discovery is a complex, time-consuming, and costly process. It involves the screening of thousands, even millions of compounds to find potential candidates for new drugs. Enter artificial intelligence. AI is like a super smart assistant, capable of sifting through these vast datasets at lightning speed. It can analyze and understand patterns that would take humans years to decipher. The sheer volume of data it can process is staggering. We're talking about everything from molecular structures and biological interactions to patient data and clinical trial results. But it doesn't stop there. AI also has the incredible ability to simulate molecular interactions. Think about it. It's like having a high-tech sandbox where scientists can play around with different molecules and see how they interact. This can save enormous amounts of time and resources by predicting which compounds might work before they're even tested in a lab. And the cherry on top? AI is fantastic at identifying potential drug candidates. Through machine learning algorithms, it can forecast the effectiveness of a compound as a drug, its potential side effects, and its viability in clinical trials. This allows researchers to focus their efforts on the most promising candidates, further speeding up the process and increasing the chances of success. The impact of this is monumental. By streamlining the drug discovery process, AI is not only making it faster, but also more efficient. It's reducing the cost of research and development, minimizing trial and error, and increasing the accuracy of predictions. AI is not just speeding up the process, it's making it more accurate and cost-effective. This powerful duo of AI and drug discovery is reshaping the healthcare industry, driving us towards a future where new medicines are discovered faster and treatments are more personalized and effective than ever before. So, how exactly does AI help in drug discovery, you may ask? Let's delve into some real-world applications that have already made significant impacts. One of the most striking examples of AI in drug discovery has been its contribution to the rapid response to the COVID-19 pandemic. When the world was brought to a standstill by the virus, AI algorithms were busy analyzing vast amounts of data, searching for potential treatments. By examining existing medicines and their molecular structures, AI was able to predict drugs that could potentially be repurposed to combat the virus. This is no small feat. Consider the enormous library of existing drugs. We're talking about thousands of potential candidates. The power of AI to sift through this data and identify promising treatments is truly remarkable. AI is not just about responding to crises, though. It's also about preventing them. Take the case of antibiotic resistance, a looming global health problem. AI has been instrumental in identifying new antibiotics when traditional methods have fallen short. In one instance, an AI algorithm called deep learning identified a powerful new antibiotic, halicin, out of thousands of compounds. This discovery could potentially save millions of lives in the future. But let's not limit our discussion to infectious diseases. In the realm of chronic illnesses like cancer and diabetes, AI is revolutionizing treatment approaches. For example, in cancer research, AI is being used to predict how different individuals will respond to various treatments, enabling personalized medicine that is tailored to each patient's unique genetic makeup. AI's applications in drug discovery extend even further into areas like mental health. By analyzing genetic data and patient histories, AI can help identify new potential treatments for mental health disorders, which often have complex and poorly understood causes. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential of AI in drug discovery. AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst, accelerating the search for new medicines and treatments, and in turn, improving healthcare for us all. The future of drug discovery is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. The future of AI in drug discovery is bright, with potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. As we look ahead, we can envision a world where AI not only speeds up drug discovery, but reshapes the entire process. Imagine a future where AI systems can predict the effectiveness of a drug before it even enters clinical trials. This could drastically reduce the time and resources spent on testing potential treatments, making the process more efficient and cost-effective. Moreover, AI has the potential to usher in an era of personalized medicine. With advancements in AI, we could see a shift from one-size-fits-all treatments to tailored therapies. AI could analyze an individual's genetic makeup and lifestyle factors and predict their response to different drugs. This means that in the future, your medications could be personalized to you, increasing their effectiveness and reducing side effects. But that's not all. AI could also be utilized to monitor patients during clinical trials. By analyzing data collected from wearable devices, AI could provide real-time insights into how a patient is responding to a drug. This could lead to more accurate results and safer trials. Additionally, AI could revolutionize drug repurposing, the process of finding new uses for existing drugs. By analyzing patterns in vast datasets, AI could identify potential new applications for old drugs, giving them a second lease on life. The integration of AI in drug discovery could also lead to a more collaborative approach to healthcare. By combining the expertise of healthcare professionals with the computational power of AI, we could see the development of more effective, innovative treatments. With AI, we're not just looking at faster drug discovery, we're looking at a complete transformation of the field. As we continue to harness the power of AI, we stand on the brink of a new era in healthcare, one where treatments are more personalized, clinical trials are more efficient, and the discovery of new drugs is accelerated like never before. But like any powerful technology, AI in drug discovery comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. One of the most significant challenges is data privacy. AI relies on vast amounts of patient data to function effectively. However, this data is sensitive and personal. Ensuring it remains confidential and is used responsibly is a major concern. There's also the need for diverse data sets. Without a broad spectrum of data, AI can develop biases, which can lead to ineffective or even harmful recommendations. Then, there's the risk of AI making mistakes. While AI systems can process and analyze data at speeds incomprehensible to humans, they're not infallible. Errors in coding or data interpretation can lead to grave miscalculations, which in the field of drug discovery can have serious repercussions. Moving on to the ethical considerations, one cannot overlook the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more adept at tasks traditionally performed by scientists and researchers, there's a growing fear of machines replacing humans. However, it's essential to remember that AI is a tool, designed to aid and not replace human expertise. Another ethical concern is the potential misuse of AI. In the wrong hands, this powerful technology could be used to create harmful substances or bioweapons, posing a significant threat to global security. Just as we've started to scratch the surface of what AI can do in drug discovery, we must also grapple with these challenges and ethical considerations. It's not enough to marvel at the speed and efficiency AI brings to the process. We must also ensure that its use aligns with our values, respects our laws, and ultimately serves the best interest of humanity. The road to integrating AI into drug discovery is not without its bumps, but by facing these challenges head-on and maintaining a strong ethical framework, we can harness the power of AI to revolutionize the field of medicine, all while upholding the principles that define us as a society. Addressing these challenges and ethical considerations is crucial for the responsible use of AI in drug discovery. AI in drug discovery is a game changer, but it's not without its challenges. We've journeyed through the transformative impact of machine learning algorithms in analyzing vast data sets, simulating molecular interactions, and identifying potential drug candidates. This is revolutionizing research, speeding up the development of new medicines and treatments. Yet, we cannot overlook the hurdles ahead. Data privacy, the need for diverse data sets, and the ethical implications of AI decision-making are all issues that need tackling. But with careful consideration and diligent work, the potential of AI in drug discovery can be fully realized. Imagine a future where we can predict the efficacy of a drug before it even enters clinical trials, where new treatments are discovered at an unprecedented pace, improving healthcare and saving countless lives. It's an exciting prospect, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Brainiacata and share this video to help spread the word about the exciting role of AI in drug discovery.